Okay, I had to switch to my phone because my camera batteries went dead and I forgot to charge one battery. I just need to get a whole new set of batteries, a couple of them, because this camera and those batteries I've been using for about 2 years. I have not changed them or bought any new ones. So with that being said, we're on my phone right now. Now, before we start the video, I get a lot of people asking me, what equipment or cameras do you use? Right now, I film with this one. This is the Canon GX7. I love this camera. Thank you, Canon. Um, this is the autofocus. I'm in love with it. They have the flip up monitor so you can see yourself. I also use my other cameras. It's here in my camera bag. I done had this bag for years. And the first camera I'm going to show you, well, that's my second camera, but I'm going to show you the first camera I had. I broke the clip on the back, so I can't clip it on me. So hold on. Bear with me. This is going to be an unedited video because it's on my phone and I don't like editing on my phone. So we have the Canon T3i. Y'all know how old that is with the monitor screen comes here. And the lens, this is the 18 by 55 lens. I use this when I'm doing my beauty stuff. We also have my other camera. This is the Canon. It's up. It's not up. This is the Canon EOS. Yeah, the EOS. I think it's the EOS 10. And I've been having this camera for a long time as well. It's a flip up screen. The lens is a 15 through 45 lens. And I love this. I used to carry this a lot, but now this is like when I'm cooking and stuff like that, I set this up in my kitchen to cook. So that's the equipment I use. As far as the lighting goes, we use a lot of lights. I rigged up some lights here. I have light over here, which used to be for the softbox. I took the softbox off because I need the lights up this basement. And then we have one that's mounted up here, and I will show you a picture of the light that I'm using on right here. Then we have my ring light that's facing my sewing area. So there's pretty much lights everywhere for different stations, but whatever I'm not using, I turn it off. Like if I'm working here, everything has to be on so you can see the side of the room. Also have a lamp just for decor. That's right there. So it's just for decor. But with that being said, we're going to, this video is going up unedited, to be honest. Today is Sunday, October 27th, and we're going to organize this side of my office. This is my main office. As you can see on the wall, those are my novels and the self-help books up here. Over there, if you can see on the wall a little bit, those are my journals and my planners. Over there, that's that hanging on the wall. So I really don't know why I put that like that, but it's going to be there. So whatever. I used to have this big old picture of an African lady with a big hat, but I didn't want that in my office because that's not me. So this is my printing station / crafting station. I don't know if you can actually see. Let me bring you a little closer. So there you go. It's not organized yet. I'm still organizing. I've been doing this for like 2 days and I decided, oh girl, you should make a series out of this. So here's part of the series. So this here is the crafting and printing station. And I got to hang up my whiteboard right there. So that's that. We're going to organize this some more today. And then over, oops, over here is where my books are that I sell. You got the books. I have to reorganize because I moved everything again for like the 150th time. So we got to organize that. Um, so yeah, and then this is the desk. Let me give you a little view of the desk. I really want a bigger desk, but we're going to do with this for now. Next year, I will change out my desk because I want it to be a little wider and bigger and fancier. So this desk here, we have my chips because you're hungry. Let's move it over here. And then we have my coffee. I need to take the cup upstairs. This is where my planners, agendas, because this is where I keep my agenda. They my Louis Vuitton agendas. We'll do close-ups towards the end. And this is my little calendar thing. Today is Sunday, the 27th of October. I have to get my other book holder because I have a. Oh yeah, always have lotion because my hands be dry in the wintertime when I'm washing my hands a lot. So my lotion is cucumber melon from Bed Bath and Body Works. Let me sit you right there. Y'all know what it looks like, lotion. And then over here, I have my little toolbox. Now I'm going to hang up my pegboard, but we're going to do the trick that I've seen all over social media. Because I lost, dang it, I'm going to need those. But we got to figure out how to hang it up using just the corners here. So we got the corner to corner. I want it to where I can actually reach it. Because you know I'm a shorty. That's not even. So all this time I was talking, and I'm sure whatever you see me moving my lips, you don't hear anything, because I forgot to turn the mic on. So, Tara, that's why it's kind of hard for a chick. For a chick. For a chick. Anyway, let me get finished wiping this down. So I have to reorganize all of this stuff here. That'll be done off camera because I don't know what I'm gonna do with half the stuff yet. So with that being said, this is done.